Hey everybody, President Brent here with our Trader User Group. I'm really excited for this offer here. Our Secret Trader, up until now, has only been available if you're a Trader User Group member. We're opening it up starting in January 2017 for non-members of our Trader User Group. Now, Secret Trader is going to give you access to all the trades that I'm taking, so you'll be able to follow along with me. Whether you got a small portfolio or a larger one, even a portfolio margin account, you're going to find a lot of trades that suit your trading style. And to celebrate this first year of opening up Secret Trader to all non-TUG members, I'm coming out with a really outstanding discount. Now, this holiday offer is not going to stay open very long, I promise. But first, before we jump into that, let's kind of take a look at what you're going to get with Secret Trader. What we do here in Secret Trader, whether you've got a portfolio that's under 25,000 or under 150,000, there's going to be trades for both types of portfolios. Now, we've got folks that have seven-figure portfolios and some that have a lot less, but you're going to find a trade that'll be to your liking within these things. Now, we do have folks that have under 25,000 that take trades that I do in the 150K portfolio. That's fine. It just depends on what kind of risk you want to manage. But most of our trades are 2 days or longer, with the exception of futures. Sometimes we'll jump in and out of a futures on a day trade, but generally our trades are 2 days or longer. And particularly if you have under 125K or 25,000, you can't do a day trade. So we honor those commitments. All new trades or current trades, the modifications or notices are all done via our Secret Trader chat room first and then email second. If you're in our chat room via Skype, you can have a mobile smartphone. You'll get it on your mobile phone, or you'll get it at your desktop or via email. And the order of sequence of the alerts is in the chat room first and the email, and it generally is spaced out about 4 or 5 minutes. It's not that long. But it does require Skype ID access to our Secret Trader chat room. Once you sign up with this membership in our user group, then of course you'll be added into our Secret Trader chat room. What do? We do long and short option strategies on equities and futures. We have long short portfolios that run both of these: options, stocks, futures. Primary asset classes that we trade: indexes, ETFs, volatility, treasuries, metals, energy, ags, meats, softs, and we've got a key equity watch list that we run. And again, I highly recommend that if you have under 100, if you have under 25,000 rather in your portfolio, that you stay away from some of our futures trades, but you're certainly welcome to jump in if you want. But you know, once you get over that, then we're definitely into the futures as well. Risk and position management is based on the current net lick of each portfolio. Now, just some of the assets that we've traded in 2016, we're going to be doing in 2017 as well. We've had a lot of good opportunities. You see them broken down around the indexes, sectors. We've got an opportunistic list in the key stock watch. Volatility, treasuries, metals, meats, agriculture, energy. And the only one I didn't put up here, and we happen to be very active right now, is in the soft market with feeder cattle and orange juice. But we're trading all of these markets. Now, what we generally do, what I will start off in January, I'm going to come up with an allocation essentially like this, but we're going to vary our allocation in cash and the tradable amount of the portfolio and what we have active based on the volatility and the risk. Most of our members of our user group understand how we manage risk and how we use volatility to help us select our option strategies. But this is kind of how we move the portfolio, and we find that it works out very well. 2016 will be a great year for us. We're finishing up strong in Q4, and I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities in 2017 around debt and equity that you just have to be a part of. We're going to have some fun with it. Now, one other thing that I wanted to show you here is if we take a look at our home screen of our Trader user group. Like I said, once you join a Secret Trader, you do not have to become a member, but I would say 80% of the people that come in will immediately come in and become a member of our group. We have a lot of things going on, a lot of education, and a lot of it training videos that you can watch. But nonetheless, you would come in here under Secret Trader Portfolio, and you would click on it, And then what it will do is it'll take you to what we're doing and how we're doing it. You'll see here that, and I just set this up as a sample to show you, but you can see a summary by clicking on combine. This includes both open and closed trades, or a portfolio summary, or an equity curve of the portfolio. So it really gives you a lot of detail, and you can click on any one particular position ID and it'll show you what the trade is, days in the trade, percent profit, annualized profit, and then you can click on the little button here and it'll show you a position graph, a P&L graph of it, a true graph of the trade. So these are really cool. I like them, and I think you guys will find them very helpful. The other thing is there's a portfolio summary report that basically, by clicking on this, it's going to come in, and again, you can click on you know, what you want to see here, but essentially it gives you the net profit of the portfolio, the original investment, where we're going, largest winning, losing trades, average trades, winning trades, annualized return, current portfolio return, max drawdown, all the various things that you would want to see. The other cool thing is we have an equity curve plot that basically plots out where we're going to start and then where we finish for the year. Now I'm just playing around with this, but you can see what it does. And it just plots once we start, and then we move through the year, and then we recalibrate at the beginning of the next new year. We have people that can come in our user group and they pick us up in the middle of the year. That's okay. But now we're coming to the end of the year, and I'm going to be opening it up to everybody, so you'll be able to, you know, take a look at where we are and what we're doing with this thing. So anyway, I wanted to just show you guys what we're doing. Now, below this video, you'll see the offer. A really, what I consider, I mean, it's one trade and you paid for this. You could have one trade. We got one trade now that would have paid for this for 10 years in a row. So I'm keeping it very low for a reason. I want a lot of people to come in because I believe, as my team does, that once you join Secret Trader, you're going to probably want to come in and join our user group. But this is a good way to learn how to trade from an educational standpoint. One other thing I did mention that you'll also get with our Secret Trader membership is every Sunday night at 8 p.m. New York City time, Eastern Standard Time, we go through the trades. We go through what's coming up for the following week, so you'll be able to participate in that as well. All right, everybody, I will see you guys on the inside. Have a great holiday season this year, and next year, let's have fun in 2017. Take care, everybody.